Welcome to the 5th Strawberry Hill Farm Veggie box of the season. Our summer crops are just starting to come in, but they often start slowly and then ramp up in production. We pack about 300 boxes per week, so it's a challenge for us to have enough of everything for every box. So for these first few summer boxes, if you could bear with us, we send some goodies to one location and others to another, and we keep careful track so that next week we can rotate so that you all get a taste of all the goodies, but not necessarily all the same week. So this week we have our first raspberries, and those that don't get raspberries will get carrots. And we have some parsley and bunching onions, and if we do run out of bunching onions, we have some nice onions left from last year that are still great quality that we'll put in their stead. We have peas. Now we're growing three types of peas: the shelling peas, which you take out of the shell, the snow peas, which are the long flat ones, and the edible pod peas, where you can eat pod and all. And we're going to put a little white marker in the bag so you know what type of pea you have. Okay, for the lettuce this week, we have a number of types of the butterhead. We have a few romaine, so you can look forward to an assortment. We have some kale. The early potatoes have grown quite well, so we can give you a good amount, and the skin is still nice and tender, and they are delicious. And we have zucchini and summer squash. Some could get green, some could get yellow, some could get both. We have tomato, cherry tomatoes, or peppers. We don't have enough of any one of those items to go all around, so you'll get something in that category, and garlic scapes. So I'm going to put some pictures in of a couple of recipes that we did this week.
Nolly made a tomato salad using tomato, basil, parsley, and mozzarella cheese, as you can see in these pictures, and we served it with new potatoes with mozzarella cheese and sausage. And this is a dish Nolly made using snow peas, garlic scapes, green onions, and sauteing or caramelizing them with honey, soy sauce, and some herbs. And this was served over rice with a garden salad side, and the meat is ham that Kirsten marinated in jelly and slow cooked.